Did you ever wish that you had a sustain pedal with you, but you forgot? Or maybe that your tiny keyboard would have this capability? Let me show the solution for you. I have now my keyboard connected via USB to my computer, the same computer that I'm recording here. I have here my smartphone, Android on Mac, doesn't really matter. I'm connecting wirelessly as a MIDI device to my Mac. Check the sound. I affected the modulation. And on top of this, my hands are here and the sound is going on. And on top of this, you can invert the polarity. It means that it will stay on while you play, and then I can touch the screen to reverse, so it's now off and now it's on again. So it lets you play a little bit freely with the two hands, and then suddenly you just go there and tap when you are switching chords, for example. And then there is also this other mode. You enable this, and then you lock whatever you want. So let's say you want to play a longer part with the sustain on. So you do like this. You are playing. You touch, it's off. Hold, reverse, hold, reverse. And you feel like a feedback on the phone. It's completely mobile, so you can easily bring your own phone to work as a pedal for you. On top of this, you can also connect USB cable to your phone and directly use this as a sustained pedal and controls. And the beauty here is that, for example, if you want more controls, more faders, you can assign different CC messages, like control message, control change messages. So let's say I want to send expression CC11. I can rename here and put expression. And now I have this expression slider. So if I play here, it's the control for the sound of the instrument. It's expression of this instrument. It's not the volume of the track. That is this one that I set up. And you can add any other CC method. You can add delay as you wish to certain parts of the song while you are playing. Equalizer controls, track panning, whatever you want. You set up your digital audio workstation, your DAW, the way you want. But the beauty is that it's mobile, it's free, and you can have a tablet here. I could have an iPad controlling on a bigger screen with more options here. Now you can try this for free. I'll leave the link in the description, no credit card required. Just go, try it for free, and see for yourself if it suits you, if it fits your needs. So I'm thinking about buying a small keyboard controller that I will also give to my daughter to start playing, because the keys are smaller, she will play. And then I have another app that's a synth, so I can connect and play as a synth wherever we are. But on top of this, let's say for myself, I want to play here, and I want to play with a sustained pedal, but I don't want cables around my table while I work without being working with music, and sometimes I will plug this to have some fun. I just want to press a button and then I have the sustain. So some keyboards, the tiny ones, they have a sustain button. It's very rare that you'll find these keyboards, and most probably you don't have it. I'm thinking also for the piano players. If you play a piano like a keyboard, like 88 key keyboard. You don't have pitch bend, you don't have modulation. If you don't like cables hanging on your devices or being visible everywhere, and you can and you feel that you can play this way, it's a solution for you. If you are working and the setup is ready for you, congratulations, this is amazing, but this is not for you. This is for the people on the go, on the awkward situation where they travel or they go to a friend's house and then they have a keyboard, but this keyboard, you want to make music with them, but this keyboard is just without a sustained pedal, but you have a computer with you or they have a computer, it's possible now. So I hope you enjoyed, and again, I will leave the link in the description and see you on the next video. You go for this link that I'll leave in the description. It's not the one that you are seeing on the screen. This will change. And then you click on receiver as a desktop on your computer if you want to play it wirelessly, okay? So you need to to enter this page that I leave in the description on your computer. And then on your phone, you click as sender. So you have here, start with USB if you are connected via USB, or you can, let's go to receiver. My desktop generated a code for me, UVP3. Each time you refresh the page, it's a new code. So you have this connection. On the phone here, I entered this UVP3. So now I click connect Wi-Fi, should be in the same Wi-Fi network. And voila, you now have remote control. But I forgot to say about something. In your receiver desktop, you go for the settings, and on top of the settings, you choose the output. So if you are not using Logic, but you are on Mac, you can enable the IAC drivers. And then it's native from Mac. You don't need to do anything except going to the settings and enabling this. You are going to see your devices here, and then IAC driver. Click on it, double click. You are going to see these properties and check device is online. That's it. You just close, nothing else to do, and then it will appear IAC driver. And now you can connect to any other digital audio workstation on your machine. So I'm now in Reaper settings, and I'm coming for MIDI inputs, and you see Apple IAC driver. And it also recognized my Samsung that is now not connected, but it was connected via USB. And then you just enable MIDI as a USB transfer mode, and you are there. And then it will appear here, and you can connect directly and receive MIDI data from there. So I hope it's useful for you as it is for me. Thank you so much, and see you on the next video.